and welcome to this episode of Untold Stories. And well, it's truly untold in many ways. HDFC Bank actually has a health insurance business. This is perhaps never as relevant as today as the world fights the pandemic and the world and India slowly unlock. We have with us Mr. Harish Singla, who is the head of our non-life insurance business, and with him is his senior colleague, Sangeeta Pawar, who is the product head for health insurance business. Welcome to the show, Harish and Sangeeta. Harish, my first question is to you, and that's simple. What exactly does a bank like ours do when it comes to health insurance?
Health insurance is a very important part of anybody's life because by taking health insurance, you are in a way securing yourself against all the losses or all the expenses which you may incur during your hospitalization, if in case you are hospitalized or you get some disease and your family member has to get hospitalized. Health insurance in bank, we give this health insurance plans to our customers. We have tied up with the various insurance companies. At this moment, we have 6 insurance companies where we offer best of the plans available in the market. We help the customers to take the right plan for the right cover and for the right kind of the amount which they need to take as a health insurance plan.
Okay, so the right plan, the right cover, that is what we help people as we help secure their lives. Am I right in understanding that, Harish?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So just like Harish said, we are securing the health of our customers by securing their by giving them financial security, where otherwise a customer would spend a lot of money in just healthcare, which is really expensive because healthcare has become very advanced and we are giving the best of treatments in India. And by giving these health insurance plans, we are actually securing the financial health of our customers. Not only securing their lives, but securing the financial health of our customers. And let me tell you how we do it as we go on.
What is it we do that is different? What makes us, for example, can we say that we are a bank with a heart?
I would certainly endorse that, and I would say we definitely are a bank with a heart because in our journey of health insurance, our focus has been more on securing the health by living healthy. So, for example, a customer who walks or does certain exercise, he is rewarded by getting a waiver on a portion of his. Whether he's buying medicines or he's going for diagnostics, he gets certain discounts, on that. We have a health wallet. We have something which we call a health wallet where, a customer who lives healthy, there are less chances of him, falling ill and getting hospitalized and a claim coming to the insurer. They are rewarded for this behavior in many ways. It could even include paying a portion of the premium. We have a property called Jump for Health, where the staff jump and to make somebody who cannot walk. So depending on the number of jumps, and this keeps the staff also active, depending on the number of jumps, they contribute towards a good cause through an NGO. We donate prosthetic legs. We do this with one of our health partners where we donate prosthetic legs. So you can say we jump to make somebody walk, somebody who cannot walk, who doesn't have a leg, we jump to make them walk. We actually contribute towards the meals for the underprivileged, meals for, now we have COVID, so meals for the attendants of the COVID patients who are waiting outside hospitals. But we have staff who are very young, who are maybe in the age group of 25 to 35, and they all think community and they all think about social responsibility, where they say, okay, it's my birthday, I don't want you guys to get me a cake, please donate this cake to an NGO which is close by. So we have tied up with a lot of NGOs where we contribute towards these good causes.
Yeah, you talked about our COVID warriors, right?
Yes.
And what we have done for our COVID warriors who have actually risked their life so that we can stay safe. Is there something else you would like to add about that?
Yeah, we actually had launched a program called Health Heroes. This was for across our branch banking and tele teams. So we again, it was sponsoring of meals for the COVID warriors because and hygienically, in the given conditions. So with sanitizers, packed meals. Meals were also packed with certain regulations and detailing in mind. And we published these success stories, therefore encouraging the teams to do more and more of this. And you will not, you'll be really surprised that there were more than 2.5 lakh such heroes, as we call them, health heroes, because they helped us in sponsoring these meals for these warriors by exhibiting the correct sale, by giving the right products to the customers. Meals for the COVID warriors, or sponsoring athletes to make India proud, to make India proud that we are training people for Olympics or Paralympics. Even for training in football in Spain, we have always been on the forefront.
Thanks, Sangeeta. My just one last question to you. In terms of you have talked so much about the right product for the right people. One example, if you could give us of that.
A large base of our customers is young and healthy. So if we offering a policy to somebody who's young and healthy, and we know that a customer is, let's say, 30 years old, and we'll offer plans which have other benefits, which will include, let's say, maternity benefits and every other benefits. Whereas if we offer something to a 45-year-old lady, let's say, and we have training on all this, and we train our staff also accordingly, they might require cover for, let's say, a critical illness like cancer, because the probability of occurrence is very high in that age group and in that gender. So we make sure that we offer those products. So we actually understand what the product can do, or what is the cover, whether there is any fine print, whether whatever we are offering is very clear and transparent for the customer, and we only permit a launch post that.
Right. So that is what I call a a genuine untold story. You say. So Harish, over to you for some closing comments.
As Sangeeta said, that the bank has a heart. It is not only the product team or the central team, those who are running these kind of initiatives. It is the people, those who are at the ground also, those who are the channel people also. They are equally participating with all enthusiasm that, okay, we donated these many prosthetic legs for Jump for Health. We have donated 50,000 meals. It is very, very important piece which has been bank is doing, and the number of meals which were sponsored to COVID warriors, health heroes.
Thank you, Harish, and thank you, Sangeeta. It has been truly wonderful having you with us today on the show.